21st problem. AC and BD are two perpendicular diameters of a circle with center O. If AC is equal to 16 centimeters, calculate the area and perimeter of the shaded part. Take pi as 3.14. You can see a circle here. Two shaded parts are there. 1/4 of a circle. This is also 1/4. Together if you add, it will be half of a circle. Half means semicircle. So the shaded part is semicircle. And they have given AC. AC as diameter. We have to find diameter. From diameter we have to find radius. So AC how much? BD also will be that much only, because diameters are equal. Solution given. AC is the diameter of a circle is equal to 16 centimeters. So now radius of a circle. What is the formula? Diameter by 2. What is the formula? Diameter by 2. That is equal to 16 by 2. 2 goes how many times? 8 times. 8 centimeters is the radius. Now, two shaded parts of a circle are two shaded parts of a circle are 1/4 of a circle plus again 1/4 of a circle. So 1/4 of a circle and 1/4 of a circle will be equal to half of the circle. We call it as semicircle. Semicircle. Now find area. They are asking calculate the area and perimeter. First we will find area of the shaded part. So area of the shaded part. Shaded part means in bracket you write semicircle. What is the formula for area of a semicircle? Half pi r square. Area of a circle is pi r square. Semicircle means half circle. Half pi r square. That is equal to 1 by 2 into. They are asking to take pi as 3.14 into r. How much we got? 8. 8 into 8 centimeter square. 2 goes in 8 4 times. So multiply 3.14 into 32. 8 4s are 32. So multiply 3.14 into 32. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 1 remaining, 3 plus 1 4, 3 3s 9. Add 8, 4, 10, again 10. After 2 digits, how much you got? Means 100.48 centimeters square. Now we got area of the shaded part. Next we have to find perimeter of the shaded part. Now perimeter of the shaded part is equal to 2 into OA, because here OA how much? OC that much, plus 2 into OD. DO how much? OB that much, plus 1/4 of circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. So first find circumference of a circle, or you can take arc of AD. You can take arc of AD if you find that also into 2. Arc of AD will be equal to arc of BC. That also you can do. So first you find circumference. Circumference of a circle. 2 pi r. 2 pi r. 2 into 22/7 into 8. In the place of 22/7, take 3.14. 16 into 3.14 centimeters. So 3.14 into 16. Now 24 to 8, 18, 314, 4, 12, 10, 5, 3, 4, 5. After 2 digits, how much you got means 50.24 centimeters. Now take 1/4 of the circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle, that is equal to 1/4 into 50.24. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2 remaining, 4 fives are 20, 6 are, so 12.56 centimeters you got. Now substitute, find the perimeter. Perimeter of the shaded part is equal to 2 into OA is 8. 8 plus both are radius only. 8 plus how much you got? 12.56. This arc we got that much, so 2 arcs are there, so 2 into common, that is equal to 2 into 16 plus 12.56, add 28.56, so 28.56 centimeters into 2 you do 12, 2, 1, 10, 11, 1, 16, 17, 1, 5. So how much you got means 57.12 centimeters. What is this one? Perimeter of the shaded part. Therefore, the perimeter of the shaded part is equal to 57.12 centimeters. 22nd problem. Find the area of a circle. To find area of a circle, we need compulsory radius. Are you able to follow? So, we have to find radius, keep in mind. Circumscribing an equilateral triangle of side 15 centimeters. Circumscribing, equilateral triangle is there. Circumscribing with a circle. And one thing, equilateral triangle properties you have to know properly. If you are thorough with those properties, then you can do this problem. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, all angles also equal. 15 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 15 centimeters. And all angles are equal. Sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees by 3. So, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Keep in mind. A lot of explanation is there. You have to keep your mind. Then you can understand easily. Very simple problem. Circumscribing means all the 3 vertices will be on the circle. That is the meaning of circumscribing. We have done in constructions part. So here, now what I am doing means I am drawing a perpendicular bisector from O to AB. OD perpendicular to AB means here 90 degrees, and I am joining O to A. OA is radius, and draw a vertical angle bisector. Y means here 60, 30. So angular bisector you draw 30 degrees. Now ADO is a right angled triangle. Can you see clearly? So ADO is a right angled triangle. Which one is hypotenuse? Opposite to 90. OA is hypotenuse. That is radius. That we have to find. So that much explanation is there. Next, AB is 15 centimeters. AD will be half of it. So 7.5 because perpendicular bisects. So 7.5. 15 half is 7.5 centimeters. This is centimeters. cm. Centimeters. So that much explanation is there. Solution given. What is given? Only side of an equilateral triangle. Of an equilateral triangle. How much they have given means 15 centimeters. Now AD is equal to 7.5 centimeters. Angle OAD is equal to 30 degrees. Angular bisector. Angular bisector. Write that word. Next. Now, from triangle ADO is a right angled triangle. From no need, triangle ADO is a right angled triangle. Immediately we know the theorem. Using that one, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square you can do. Here no need that one, we will take trigonometry directly. We have learned trigonometry. Adjacent side is there, hypotenuse we have to find. So take from this triangle, we are going to take cos 30 degrees. Adjacent side to 30 degrees by adjacent side to 30 degrees by hypotenuse. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 is equal to, or adjacent side 7.5. And what is hypotenuse means? OA, radius, R, cross multiply. OA is equal to radius. That is equal to, now you brought this one, fraction going from left to right. 7.5 into 2 by root 3. Multiply. 15 by root 3. Now rationalize. That is equal to, rationalizing factor for root 3 is again root 3 multiply. So 15 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, directly write 3. 3 goes 5 times. So radius we got as OA, radius that is equal to OA is equal to 5 root 3 centimeters. So now we got radius. After finding radius, very simple. They told to find area of circle. We can find area of a circle easily. Now we got radius as 5 root 3 centimeters. Figure is very important. Draw the figure, compulsory. Now they are asking to find area of a circle. What is the formula for area of a circle? Pi r square. Pi means they told to take as 3. We will write 22 by 7 into 5 root 3 into 5 root 3 centimeter square. 5 they told to write as 3.14 into 5 5s are 25. Root 3 into root 3, 3 centimeter square. So 3.14 into 75, multiply 3.14 into 75, 20, here 7, here 15, 28, 2, 9, 21, 0, 15, again 15, 3, 2. After 2 digits. So how much you got means 235.50 centimeter square. So this is the way of finding area of a circle. Be careful when to take sine, when to take cos, when to take tan. You should be able to know, because here adjacent side is given and we need hypotenuse. That's why adjacent by hypotenuse means cos, or you can take secant also. But here we know cos, so cos theta, theta plus 30 degrees is there. Are you able to follow? So according to the problem, when to take sine, when to take cos, when to take tan, you have to practice. Thank you. 23rd problem. Find the area of a circle inscribed in an equilateral triangle of side 18 centimeters. Take pi as 3.14. ABC is an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. 18 centimeters, 18 centimeters, 18 centimeters. Now circle is inscribed. Inside it is there. It is touching all the three sides. And draw a perpendicular bisector. This OD will be the radius now. What is OD? Radius. Keep in mind. Before, in circumscribing, OA is radius. Now OA is not radius. OD is radius. Here also they are asking to find area of a circle. To find area of a circle, we need compulsory radius. So OD we have to find. AB is the side and this is perpendicular bisector, means one side 90 degrees and divides the given side into two equal halves. In 18, half is 9 centimeters, 9 centimeters. Keep in mind. So now ADO is a right angle triangle. Immediately you know, here in the equilateral triangle all angles are equal. So 60, 60, 60, and this is angular bisector 30 degrees. Now which one we are going to take? Select sine, cos, tan. In these three we are going to find radius and given is adjacent. Opposite and adjacent means we are going to take tan theta, means tan 30 degrees. This much explanation is there. So be careful, as you like you can't take. So now solution given. What is given? Side of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. How much they have given? 18 centimeters. Okay. Now we don't know radius. OD is the radius. We have to find this one. And AD is equal to 18 by 2. 9 centimeters. Write clearly. Next, ADO is a right angled triangle. Now, so you are going to take tan 30 degrees. Means, what is the meaning of that one? Opposite to 30 degrees. Some will tell perpendicular also. By adjacent side to 30 degrees. This will they will call as base. Anyway you can do. Anyway you can pronounce. So, what is opposite side means? Tan 30. 1 by root 3 is equal to OD, this is radius, by AD. 1 by root 3 is equal to radius R by 9. Do cross multiplication. 1 9 is 9, 9 will come. So R is equal to 9 by root 3. Now rationalize. 9 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. That is equal to 9 root 3 by 3. 3 3s are root 3 into root 3. 3. 3 goes how many times in 9? 3 times. So how much you got means 3 root 3 centimeters. What is this one? Therefore radius is equal to 3 root 3 centimeters. This is 3 root 3 centimeters. Able to follow? Now we have to find area of a circle. Now they told to find area of a circle. Area of a circle. Formula pi r square. Pi means we know 22 by 7 into radius we got as 3 root 3 into 3 root 3 centimeter square. They told to use 3.14 instead of 22 by 7 into 3 3s are 9. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 centimeter square, don't forget. If I forget, please you write. Don't be lazy, be crazy. 9 3s are 27 centimeter square. Compulsory you have to mention. By mistake if I forget anywhere, please you write measurements. Now 3.14 into 27. These calculations are all part and parcel of the problem. So you have to do 28, 2, here 9, next 21, next 2 4s 8, 2 1s 2, 2 3s are 6, 8, 17, 1, here 4, here 8, after 2 digits. So how much you got means 84.78 centimeter square. What is this one? Therefore, area of a circle is equal to, write clearly, 84.78 centimeters or square centimeters also correct only. This is 7, write clearly. 24th problem. The shape of the top of a table in a restaurant. Please be in problem only. Don't go outside the problem. If you go outside the problem will be a problem when this problem comes in exam. So be in problem. Restaurant means immediately you go somewhere else. Don't go. Be in a lesson on. So the shape of the top of the table in a restaurant is that of a segment of a circle with the center O and angle BOD is equal to 90 degrees. OB is equal to OD is equal to 60 centimeters. They told to find first bit the area of the top of the table. Second one, the perimeter of the table. And they told to take pi as 3.14. Now all of you see. First find area of a circle completely. So solution, given radius of the top of a table, that is equal to how much they gave? 60 centimeters they gave. 60 centimeters. 60 centimeters they have given. Radius. Now find area. Now you take not the radius of a top of the table they give. Find area of a circle. Complete circle. We will find area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Pi means how much? 3.14 into 60 into 60 centimeter square. Now 6 6 are 36. 3 point, here 2 zeros are there, so point also decimal will move. 314 into 36, that is the way of simple. 24 2 here 8 18 12 1 here 4 3 3 is 9, add 4 here 10 13 1 here 11, so 11,304 centimeter square. What we got now? Area of a circle, but here circle is not there. 1/4 of circle is removed. How 1/4? Here they give 90. The complete angle in a circle is complete angle is 360. So 360 by 4 means 90. So 1/4 of the area of a circle is removed. So now we are going to find area of the top of a table. We have to find. How to find means area of complete circle minus area of 1/4 of circle. Why 1/4? I told you now. 360 by 4 is 90. So 1/4 of a circle. Now that is equal to 11,304 minus 1/4 into 11,304. Simplify clearly without any mistakes. 4 table goes. 4 2s are 8, 3 remaining. 4 8s are 32, 1 remaining. 4 2s are 8, again 2 remaining. 6 times. So 11,304 minus 2,826. Subtract 11,304 minus. Why we have to do minus? Here 1/4 of the circle is not there, so we are subtracting 2,826. Borrow here 9, here 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. Here 2 will be there. Again borrow. 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. Here 10 will be there. 10 minus 2 is 8. How much you got means 8,478 centimeter square. What is this one? Area of the top of a table. Are you able to follow? Clear? Any doubt? Subtract properly. Minus you have to do. Subtract. Minus is equal to. This all part and parcel of the problem. From the complete circle, we are taking 1/4. 1/4 means 90 degrees. Out 360 by 4 is 90. 1/4. Now they are asking to find the perimeter of this top of the table. So first to find perimeter of the circle, means circumference of the circle you find. Circumference of the full circle you find. 2 pi r. 2 into 3.14 into 60. That is equal to, easy way of calculating, 2 6 are 12 into 0 is there, no, 31.4 centimeters. Now you can multiply. 31.4 into 12. 12 4s are 48. 4. 12 1s are 12. Here 16. So 6 here 1. 36, 37. After one digit. So 376.8 centimeters. We got circumference of the full circle. But 1/4 part is removed. So 1/4 circumference. 1/4 of 1/4 of circumference of a circle. Of a circle you find. Means 1/4 into 376.8 centimeters. 4 table goes. 4 9s are 36. 4 4s are 16. Decimal. 4 2s are. So 94.2 centimeters you have to remove. So subtract from circumference of. Now we will find. They told to find perimeter of top of the table. Are you able to follow? Table. Okay, listen carefully. Now circumference of circle minus 1/4 of the circle. What? Minus 1/4 of circle, because there is 1/4 removed now. Shape. Plus OB plus OD. This. Write in one line only. That is equal to circumference of a circle. How much we got? 376.8 minus 94.2. Simplify. Then add 60 plus 60 centimeters, because OB how much? OD also that much only. Subtract 376.8 minus 94.2. 6 2 here 17, 8 here 2. So you got 282 plus 120, because 60 plus 60 120. 0.6 is there, don't forget. 0.6. Now write clearly, visible. 282.6 plus 60 plus 60 120. Add 120. 0.0. 6 2 10 here. How much you got means 402 point, because here decimal is there, 0.60 centimeter. Or if you write only 6 also, no problem. So therefore the perimeter of the top of the table is 402.6.